Hi, I'm Marie Jenkins from Advance Your Wellbeing, and in this week I'm going to share with you 5 videos about our up and coming webinar on resilience. So day 1 we're looking at resilience in the new world. But what is resilience anyway? The definition of resilience is the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties and toughness. And we all know that the past few months, we have all had to live through this pandemic, and it's touched our lives in various different ways. So what does resilience look like in the new world? What sorts of levels of resilience will you need in the future? And what sort of resilience will alter depends on different type of factors, like the situation, your ability to build relationships, and the individual circumstances you're in. So ask yourself firstly, how do you need to be more resilient? Is it at work? Is it at home? Is it with friends? Or maybe just having to work from home, you feel you need to be more resilient so that you're not feeling isolated and lonely. If any of the key points I've mentioned today affect you, then you can join us for our webinar on the 4th of March at 2 o'clock online, and you can find the links in the comment sections below. Thanks very much.